Hello, 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 hello. I don't know, I'm crazy. Anyways, it is day 2 here in JA in this beautiful place, and we're just gonna go get something to eat. So I just came to see my outfit of the day. You know, if you don't watch my Christmas vlog, when I get for Christmas, and I know so I get them here at Christmas, and I am originally busting them out today. Boop, boop. Anyways, we'll go out. Me and baby go get something to eat. So let's start the day. And I'm wearing my One Love t-shirt, and you know, look at the back. Nice, eh? If you know me, you know my favorite part of my body is the arch in my back. I'm starting my vlog, babe, before I come out. Anyways, people, come we start today. We talk to you later. Lady, you're not ready. So that one year I could go and drive good on this, so which will give you a chance to swap the weed. Because if we go walk, go down a hill. So I go and smoke while him drive go down a hill, take a little quickie before we go away. I tell him to take my picture just now. So show me stand up sideways and I can't talk about. So you're not no front. It's ain't bright. It's ain't bright. You ask me if I don't front, why be I stand up sideways? Anyways, be people in a Jamaica whole of vibes, you know. You know, say me and my Bobby are best friend. So me a whole of vibe down here with my Bobby and just a chill and you know, enjoying the sunshine. I've only been here for one day and I feel like my skin already like stuck in the sun and the heat and the moisture. Like my skin is just, look there, pretty. Bye. Anyways, people, I'm gonna go and walk down the hill and take 2 puffs before I reach, and we catch you later. I will go out on the street, go get some food. Alright? Peace out. Talk to y'all later.
What kind of soup you get? Large or? No.
What size soup? Them
what size soup you have?
Medium and small.
About the medium.
1 medium soup.
Medium is what I'm saying. That's what the size thing that, what the small look like? Medium. And can I get a small one too? A small soup, yeah, give me one of the small soup there, here.
One small one as well.
The cow skin one. You did that already?
Yeah, I know.
I'm not gonna order from the lady.
Soup.
Soup on the
The
medium.
medium soup, yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get fish for you.
And the fish. Yeah. How much that?
No answer.
Me answer.
No answer. Alright.
Me go answer.
Look. Hey, never touch the right here. Are you team me away from my skin?
Huh?
You got 5 months?
Is it okay if I point the camera at you?
So how much?
Yeah, I think she's about that.
4 months or 5 months?
Huh? How many months is she? When she come back? 6?
Come, Miss Kid.
Yeah, she look like 5.
What?
Back to water. And cleaning.
That's what you want, right?
So give me 4.
Want to call this time?
Yes.
And Miss Kid, hold on to that.
Medium small. No, you can't.
No, don't cover up my soup, you know. That's, me take my soup. Don't cover it.
Better, eh? Better?
That's right. Oh, well, I like yesterday.
One mountain,
Yeah.
one other bird. Two fair now, one matter.
But it have an aftertaste like gravy. You taste that?
Just a fried fish. Yeah. Must have a fish and veg powder. And you shut your little flat.
If you don't mind, not to have 2 minutes, I just drive around and Mr. White then.
Yeah, man.
And then no,
You can go there when you're ready. That's how I heard, man.
Oh,
See?
okay.
Yeah, man.
So you said 2 o'clock are the best time tomorrow.
No, if you do tubing, but the river what them call Blue Hole. You see
Yeah.
them thing, the rafting.
Show the camera over there.
Oh, if we're coming back, I'll get a better view. White River.
Yeah, man.
I like them charging and something.
Personally, I guess.
The experience. Okay, so brothers. Alright, so no way there.
You know where they, I have no idea where they. You just lost me.
You start the club.
But this I did it.
We can't go no further.
One for beach, I go probably park down this one.
Yeah.
How fish that the man cut up this one?
We not going with nothing today.
No raft today?
No, we just have a look. But how much for the raft normally?
We charge out. Or me go to 4 grand.
4 grand feet?
2 hours.
Okay, alright. Tomorrow I go come still, but we just show me the direction.
You understand?
And they won't come tomorrow. We just show them.
Yeah,
the
man.
road for you.
Look which one I spot there, no? Right to that pink shop there.
We can't miss you. Are you we are going to look for tomorrow?
Yes, Sasha. 4 grand me I carry.
Alright.
Nah, killing you.
Yeah, man.
You're not feeling me, you sure?
Yeah, 4 grand. Now my have 50 laugh up on the price.
We can't find the camera for you.
Yeah, man. Dear thing, man. Original.
Yeah.
Alright. So tomorrow?
Alright, later, yeah.
Everyone.
Not no bad, a good price.
Okay.
See what white people them do river tubing.
See them over there, so you see
And
them?
them go all the way up river ups and come down on the tube. But the blue hole they further up. And the same water come down here so still. But it the way up a hills up so.
Oh, so then carry from here to go up there.
Yeah, and you take the
Okay.
them carrying a bus go up there.
Mhm.
And you come down back on the tubing there.
Okay.
But up a river now. But you jump off a thing and jump in the water.
Oh, that's when you drive go up this that way.
Yeah, you drive the way there.
So me and baby back. My soup and my water here. We're going down at the beach go chill and eat. Huh? We'll chill out and eat with food. It's nice and cool back here. Lord God, you just have to put the place now. Poop it about. Poop it about.
Want to try some of my fish too?
Of course, you know. And baby food. Your food looks good. Does it taste good? The vegetable them looks good. You look good. I must smell the soup. What we have in here, a nice piece of yam, cow skin,
That'd be a floater. That'd be nice.
We did make plans to bring that here.
Believe it, yeah, it's coming to chop. That'd be nice back here. I will rent the boat now, I will go. How people go dive in. Right. There I go. That's still a possibility.
For all the people that don't know, this is an almond tree. Okay. This is an almond tree. I'm gonna see if we can find one almond. So I'm gonna drop this off.
I wonder if it's right, but I'm gonna go.
Baby, I try to find one almond for show me something. Hopefully we'll find one. There's another tree over here. Over here, babe, over here. We don't know if it's still good, but right here, so. See? No.
Gone, but
There's below it. There's almond.
no. Let's start this one.
Oh, baby.
No, we're not on the green one. That's sure where we're looking.
See me showing you the almond on the tree. For all the people that who don't know. You see, we live in Jamaica. We're born and raised here. So we don't pay attention to the things here. When we did young and I grew up. We get older, we get wiser, they say, right? So here we are, almonds on a tree.
This is where people are here from. I'm sure where people are here from.
Huh?
In a market.
I think me find you one.
No. That's already.
I think. No?
No, you want to see like
yellow,
this
yellow.
green, like this yellow.
Yellow.
I'm show you what we do.
Okay, so let's go see what Luke has to show us, to teach us.
This is what we do. When we're kids, and we're not even know so we're happy.
And your kids?
Yeah, so you see the color of this?
Yeah.
This we can't eat. That's
It's pink.
yeah. That's how it look when you
When you
eat it.
eat it. I think why does this look like something I ate when I was younger but don't remember?
We do. So let me show you after we finish eating it like that.
Yeah.
This is what we do. We crack it.
And then, yeah, I remember doing this as a kid.
And you get the
You get the almond out.
almond outside. See the almond?
The almond there.
And that's how people are pay for. So we used to have to crack them when we were kids.
See the nice fresh almond
See
there?
the almond?
Yeah.
And this is what we used to eat when we were kids.
You go in here and eat out
And we
the
take out the almond. Well, now go to waste. But this is how we pay for because it's staying at the market
Yeah.
and dry up. But it's supposed to crack.
Yeah.
But I'm going to find a different one and crack it sure. I find a perfect one. See, see? So we pay for.
It's the almond, guys.
This is a fresh almond right off of the tree. You know how much nutrient this gives?
Yeah. This almond is so good for you.
So the people with the tree them sell it, but they don't know where them are. They sell it for look like nothing, and then we get tax feed left to right in a foreign.
Maybe I see one. Right here, so. You see him? Right here, so him yellow. You see him?
Okay.
Him yellow. Let's hope he's not rotten on the other side. I hope the camera got all of that.
Oh,
So we can slow more.
See?
Okay, that's it, baby. You can't buy nowhere
No, we
else.
can buy it now. Because it's gone. That's the way the bird them
Now
dig
get
them
out the
now.
almond out of it. Yeah.
And this is what we eat as kids.
Yeah. You stop. You're eating too close to the bird. Bird beak.
So?
Oh, so you not care? You not care?
So, let me see if I can do this one much better phone.
Okay.
No, so we have to beat it down. Alright, so we have it cracked.
Take off the skin.
I use no man do it, you know. Not kids.
That's okay.
We used to do it. But we used to eat it whenever I have to do it this way. But that one hear the crack?
You'll lose your jewelry.
That's alright.
Yeah, me see the piece of the shell. Come on.
Come on. Get it properly.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh.
Alright, so on there.
Oh.
But make sure I don't lose that side there. See?
Almond.
That's the
there.
almond. This is how them carry up to a nice supermarket or wherever and it dry up or eat it. But this is the best way to have almond. 100% good for the body.
Pick off the tree.
Right off of the tree. But the thing is when you eat this on the outside, you get both of them. Oh,
It's good for you.
as we used to eat as kids, we used to pick them up and put them down for dry. And we sit down and crack them all the time. But so what we used to do as kids, we forget about it and we throw it away. And I eat we have to come back to as
get
adult.
older.
So you hear them tell
What
us,
we say?
you hear them say the saying, once a man, twice a child. It comes in many forms why they say that. Because what we used to do
Also,
as
they
kids, we
say-
forget.
They say you get older, you get wiser, right?
And this is something where we have to pay how much money for. See tree here?
So the tree are right in your backyard.
And this used to be good for us. I eat this. Good for the skin. The
Yeah.
outside of the almond. And the almond itself inside.
That's how the body's so strong. You crack that one, yeah, baby?
No, no. I have to eat that.
You not cracky?
No, I have to eat it. No, but
What you eat off of this? You see the vein? You see too much vein up on it? Where am I going to eat off of this, people? What the good part there? You wanna show me? Somebody show me the good part. What the good part? Where the good part there? Me not see it. Me a mad girl, you know. You don't know, so me a mad girl. Anyways, so you see the almond tree right in on the backyard. Right in on the backyard. Right in on the backyard. What are you looking for?
One and to listen to me. Listen to me good. The next one. Oh, what?
The one that don't look so good. Why does the almond inside you want?
I'm going to show people something. Alright. So when we were picnic, we used to climb the tree then.
Yeah.
And we used to see the almond on the ground and we pick it up and we eat around it.
Yeah.
The immune system, very good when we are picnic. But to going to the foreign land, the America and the Canada and the England, they might give a vaccine till we say the immune system, I kill them for body. Now when we look at picnic, if you come from Jamaica and you're black and you come from Jamaica, Africa, Nigeria, wherever, the stuff them when you eat off of the tree, you need to go back to them something there. If you don't live in the Americanized world, because them take time to kill we have. They want to kill out black people, you know, so they want white people to flourish. But no, YouTube now go put it up, but me I tell them it straight up. So when we are kids, when they drop off a tree, so then look and we eat it. So look, whenever I used to wash it, so we get our body communicate with the dirt down there, so we can't really explain the theory there, but immune system come from. If you remember when I put them in the dirt. If you go to America, you see the And the pit now playing in the dirt. Oh my god, the dirt! Brush him off. No, leave him alone. Or she. Make them play in the dirt. Because that will guarantee them later and down. No brush it off. Make them play in the dirt.
Let them be.
Let them be. Let them play in the dirt. Yes, you see them putting their mouth. Yeah, you brush it off. But let them play in the dirt. Now, the almond. See what it look? See that one look? Yeah, I'm going to eat it. It's alright. Now, we used to eat them and we save them till it dry like this. Because it's easy for crack.
Oh, they dry up.
When they dry up. So we used to save whole heap of them for 2 or 3 days and we go and we just crack them all the time and we eat them. And them something we used to live on pitney. See coconut tree them, we used to climb them. And we used to drink them and eat the coconut and the jelly. Sometimes we want them hard because we know which one hard. But them things there, we migrate from, we leave. Because we're there foreign and we say, yeah, this is good. Foreign life not good. If you can come back a yard, come enjoy now.
Stop before you crack another one. That's a good, perfect one right there.
Where?
Look right there, so. Look, you see him right there, so? And perfect, not doing him.
Where?
You know, so them even good when them purple.
Yeah.
Right here, so. Oh, fine. Oh, shit, sorry. Right here. Right here.
Oh. Okay, that one.
We'll never get it though.
Never say that.
Oh, use the GoPro stick. Use the GoPro stick and lick it down. Nobody mash up my stick though. We act like this are the only tree. You think you'll get it? But you didn't lock it. You don't have to.
No, I'm have to lock this.
Yeah. Woo!
Alright. So that one here? Perfect. I'll leave that one for your baby.
He's leaving the perfect one for me.
Eh? Yeah, man. Okay. Hold on, I'm just going to go. I make sure you know so when I pit you know. You see eat them something now. We put them for dry and we crack them. You know how much money we pay for them in the upset? Just the almond. Yeah, always I kill them with money, you know. But we there in Jamaica, yeah, so we take them things for granted.
Where you from, sis?
I'm born in Clarendon.
Oh.
I'm going to Kingston. But I move all about in Jamaica. Yeah?